the Patriotic event, which is in Diaspora, where we're calling every Burundian to join in this competition. Whoever has talent and they're willing to attend, we want them to come and join this competition. The purpose of the Diaspora is to make sure we have the pillars of the vision of Burundi. And those pillars we're looking for, those are the youth. The youths, those are the people for sure targeting. We want to make sure they're joining this competition, and they make sure when we're talking the vision of Burundi, we're talking about the future. And another important thing is the event called the Diaspora Homecoming, where is a consent. We're calling all Burundians from abroad. Whoever we've been in Bujumbura 27, we meet together with our fellow Burundians living in Burundi and they rejoice together. That is the purpose of the event. But most importantly, those who were able to attend, or those who will be able to attend the first competition in different provinces, they will get a chance to join the final competition in Bujumbura during the event Diaspora Homecoming 2025. Another event is a special meeting of the leaders of the Burundian diaspora. We will be together, we'll be gathered in the Bujumbura as the leaders and discussing the many major issues from the members of the Burundian diaspora, the issues they face in different regions where they are abroad, or the issues they've been facing or they face when they get in Bujumbura or Burundi, anywhere in Burundi. So the purpose is to make sure we are on the same page, and as leaders, we are not there as leaders to assist, but we are leaders who are there to decide and they help and they guide and they give directions and they give recommendations to the government of Burundi as well. And besides of that, we have another important event called the East Africa Diaspora Summit. For the first time, we as the diaspora, we organize this event so that everyone living in diaspora, from the East African diaspora, they can come and join us. We need to connect, we need to discuss the issues of the East African region, and also we need to have a platform as the East Africa diaspora. As you know, the Secretary General, I believe they used to do that, and they've been doing that. They used to send the staff members to go and meet the member of the East Africa diaspora living abroad. They used to go in different areas. But now this time we want as the diaspora to come in our region and meet the leaders of this region and then give them the ideas and talk to them how we can really make the East Africa diaspora stronger and strong more than before. So that is what we're trying to do, and to make sure we're coming together as one diaspora, one people, to make sure we can change and we can even contribute to the politics of the diaspora of East Africa. That is the main purpose, and we encourage all entrepreneurs to come, join us, the leaders of East Africa come and join us, and we are willing also to work with the Secretary General to make sure we are on the same page with the politics of the diaspora. And also, we are working with the EABC, East Africa Business Chamber, so that they can also benefit from this summit. So we're encouraging everybody from East Africa to join us, to be able to participate. And in the Burundi diaspora, we are ready to welcome you guys. And thank you for your attention. We'll be happy to see everyone in Burundi from August 4th to August 8th, 2025.